Hi everyone, welcome to Alaska and Beyond. Well, welcome to Alaska. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done it yet, go ahead and click subscribe. So today we are on the banks of the Alaganik River, and we are gonna float in kayaks down to a spot, and it should be a fun adventure. Nice and mellow on a hot Alaskan day. What is it, about 63 degrees, 62 degrees? Warm enough that I'm wearing shorts. And underneath this hoodie I have a tank top, so that should count, right? So yeah, join us on this adventure. It'll be fun. We're at the beginning.
Good.
Yep, here's the only tricky spot of the whole thing. Fun little spot. I'm gonna put the camera down now though. Say hello.
Happy birthday, Brookneck. You had to paddle last time?
Sorry.
Okay guys, look at me. Ready? There we go.
Thank you.
Now you have a picture.
Nice afternoon. Yeah, it's not very deep. It's a little chilly. This is fed by a glacier. Sometimes when it's shallow, you just got to get out and walk. Ah, quicksand, 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 quicksand.
We're laughing, not laughing.
I found quicksand. Okay. Quicksand. 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 There we go. Oh, quicksand, quicksand. Whew. My toes are numb. I forgot to record the end of it. Oh, we made it.
We're done.
We're here.
Wrong way.
Yeah, well, at the end, yeah, the tide's coming in, so we definitely were going against the stream here. against the current.
I looked over and